All right, Scotty, got her bolted down. Got our pads sitting in. We got our soft line clipped. We just got to tighten down the actual hard line into it. You got to put your brake pad retainer plate on. And this side's Dunsky's. There's a new retainer plate in the...
Is there?
I think so.
No, we've got new screws.
Oh, well, take a look.
Still gonna look though.
Look at that.
Yeah, nope.
Oh, well, okay. Run what you brought.
Did you know Publix had a sale going on macaroons?
What's a Publix?
You don't know what a Publix is? It's like a Winn-Dixie, a Vons.
I know what a Vons is.
Yeah, Publix.
I know what a Publix is.
That's more of a, I think, East Coast Southern.
I've never been to Publix.
Really good store.
Where did I go?
It's a really good store.
Where did I go when I was in Tennessee? I can't remember.
Winn-Dixie, Ingalls, Kroger.
I think I went to a Kroger.
Kroger's pretty good.
But that's because my Ralph's Club card would work there.
Yes.
Yeah, I went to Kroger.
I liked Kroger. It was pretty good.
Ralph's is the same thing. Apparently Vons is going to be too.
Yep.
Bastards.
They bought them out.
They're screwing up. Every Vons I like is gone. It's going to be gone. Drop the soap there, Scotty.
I think this is the last day these jeans are going to be surviving.
It's hard to raise good help. Just kidding.
You are correct, Bobby. It is hard to raise good help.
Oh, this guy's going to beat me. Car's so nice. Look at that. I know, because you got. It's like we babysit each other.
At times, I'll give you that one.
The fat one's watching the old one.
Yeah, but the old one gets laid way more than you.
Yeah, I'm not even trying though. I don't have like a fucking straight version of Grindr that I'm using or anything.
There's been a lot of women on Grindr as of lately. It's like, no, honey, leave. This isn't meant for you. Go away.
That's weird.
And there was actually a straight guy on there. He's like, no, I'm straight. I only do something with a woman, and you're not a woman. So, do you want somebody that's trans, or do you want a woman? No, I want a woman. Then you're on the wrong website, sweet tits.
Why are you on Grindr then?
Exactly.
Even I know better than that.
I mean, that's like the other one I did something with the other day. Oh, I'm straight. Yeah, straight to my cup.
Whoa, Scotty's nasty. Scotty's being naughty today.
Today.
I know. Actually, this is late for Scotty. Anyway. All right. So we're getting this handled. Situation. There you go.
The screws they sent us are too long.
Good job. Good job. Okay, put the old screws in. Or attempt to. Hopefully they're threaded right. This is the dumb shit we deal with.
All the time. I would say at least 3 to 5 times a day, some days even more than that.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what we're going to do after you put these 2 bowls in? Have some chicken. A little chicken break. Does that sound good, Scotty?
Uh-huh.
You look like you want some chicken.
I want more than chicken.
I got some macaroni and cheese, too, if you want.
I want more than that.
And some chicken Alfredo. I can't just order you a Twink for lunch. So.
I've got one coming this afternoon.
Emphasis on coming?
Yes, correct.
7/16. Good lad. All right, that's going together. We gotta tighten that up. And then we're done on this side. Yay, we're done on this side.
I think it was one of the oldest guys I've ever met a day in my life.
Oh, boy.
As I was growing up, that taught me to do that.
What? With the cap on it?
Just put a little cap on it. Yeah. The amount of brake fluid you save is ungodly.
Yeah, especially over a period of time. What's funny is, that's the first time Scotty's put a rubber on anything in a long time.
Kind of true.
Skank. You're a skank.
Oh, no, I am not a skank, bitch.
You're a slut?
Those are fighting words. And I don't mind that because that's true.
Okay, good. Just making sure. This is how we have a good day.
And with 2 hours left to go.
Oh.
This one will be done.
And we'll get it on the AMC.
Get the AMC in here.
Start figuring its problems out. And go from there.
And then Aaron.
Yep.
Because that's an in and out done job.
As soon as the tank comes back.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I gotta get a hold of him.
I completely forgot about that.
Yeah, so we're getting stuff done. He's gonna stick it in. Are you pulling off the rubber and sticking it back in? Nasty.
Hey, just flip it over and use on the other side.
That's what they thought it was in school. Just gotta wash it out. You see inside. It's fine. All right. There you go. Snug it down good. 3/8. Line wrench. And just like that, boys and girls, driver's side's done. Probably gonna want to put something on that to hold it. A little vice grip or something, just to hold that end. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So that's pretty much that. Needs to be tightened a little more, though. You know that. All right. So when you check back in with us, we'll be changing the line on the other side.